Hello there, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. This is the Frugal Investor. Facebook just announced its earning today. And if you have seen my portfolio, I am long Facebook, and it is one of my favorite long-term stocks. In this video, I am going to give you guys my opinion on why I think Facebook is still undervalued and is a great company to buy. Facebook revenue rises 48%. Users slightly below expectations. The revenue is up by 48%. If we look at the earnings, $3.30 per share, where the expected was $2.30. The earnings, that's the earnings. The revenue is up by 26 billion from 23 billion expected. And the average revenue per user is $9.20 versus $8.40 expected. Those are some beautiful and huge numbers. I mean, just an amazing performance by the company. The stock is up by an almost 6% in the after hours. This stock, Facebook, had been bitten down. It was getting no love from the investors on the street. The stock, nobody was showing any love. It was trading at P by E ratios of 26, 27, while the average P by E ratios for other tech companies was somewhere around in the range of thousands, even in some cases. And Facebook was just humbly trading at 24, 25. And this was around the time when people were talking about Facebook, they're going to break up Facebook in pieces, the Congress people and all that. Controversy was going on around this company, and it was going through such a hard time. And for me personally, it was so hard to see, so hard to imagine like such a great business and nobody's picking it up at these juicy prices. And that's why I got into this company, and I'm so positive about the business. And the reason I'm so positive about this is because there is no match to Facebook. There is no match to its products. It is just an amazing and fabulous business with diversity, with Oculus, with WhatsApp, with Instagram, with Facebook. And there are so many users. I mean, if you look at it, daily active users are 1.88 billion. There are 7 billion people in this world, and 1.88 billion people are on Facebook every day. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of power among the masses. That's a lot of power. That's a lot of influence this company has. And I don't think investors realize that how powerful this company actually is. And it's diversified on WhatsApp. I mean, if you go to countries like India, like Russia, they use WhatsApp on an everyday basis. It's like the lifeline. It's like lifeline in those countries. And same with Facebook and Instagram. There is no comparison to Instagram, the way that app functions. Although there is a threat that the Congress people, they might decide to break this company. They might think that this company is too powerful. They have too much information about everything. They are so powerful, and they might decide to break. That is a threat that looms on the horizon. And as an investor, I can feel that why people would not want to take that risk of putting their capital into a company which might get broken up. But that threat has always been there for a lot of businesses. That threat is always there for it is there for Amazon. It is there for even companies like Tesla and other businesses in the future when they get bigger like Facebook. And I don't think it is a threat. I don't see it as a big problem. And I think that threat is a good thing for people like me because it is putting the stock price down, and it's giving me such a great value to buy this company. Even today, with such a high rise in the price, the stock is trading at a P by E ratio of 30. 30 P by E ratio for a tech company. That is like one of the most powerful companies, and a forward P by E ratio of 26 and 22. That is just juicy. In this market, finding a deal like that and people are not jumping on it is just mind-boggling for me. And that is why I'm so long on Facebook, and I'm buying it at every opportunity I can get. The person who started this company from his dorm is still at the helm of Facebook. He's still the leader. He's still running the business just like he was doing many years ago, and it is like his baby. It is like his dream, and you know, to have a leader at helm like that, not a lot of tech companies have that luxury nowadays. But to have a leader at the helm who started it from the scratch, who has seen it coming up and becoming the giant that it is today, and that is a very rare thing. And in my opinion, that also makes me more confident into buying Facebook, is because the person who is running it, he knows what he's doing, he knows where he comes from, and he has proven himself to be a very strong, very resilient, very smart leader, and navigating through all the controversies. And this is not the first time Facebook has faced this controversy of being broken up by Congress. There has been other times where Facebook has gone through a lot of controversies in the news, and it has continued to do really well, even during those times with Mark Zuckerberg at the helm. And that, in my opinion, is a great leader and a great person who can handle it through thick and thin for this business, and to run this business is it's amazing. The business of Facebook itself is such a massive marketing tool. I mean, there is literally uh, one or two companies that you can count on your fingers that can compete with that can even say they can compete with such power, with so many users. That is like 2.85 billion monthly users on just the platform, and such a massive marketing tool with such a wide reach. I mean, every business wants to jump on this train and market on this platform with so many users and such power. And I think it is here to stay. I think it will see more and more and more growth. Those are my 2 cents on Facebook. Personally, I'm long Facebook. I bought it at a purchase price of $286, and I have about 39 stocks of Facebook. And I will be buying more and more and more and more. And that time there was a P by E ratio of almost 25, guys. Can you believe that? Such a cheap price for such a beautiful, great business, such well diversified business. And that's why I picked it up at that price, and I've been holding it, and I'm going to buy more and more because I believe in the leader. I believe in the moat that this company has in the market. I believe in the space they have made for themselves, and they are doing so well year over year over year, and they're growing, and they have such a powerful reach among people. And those are my reasons why I'll be buying more. And this company has done fabulously well today, and I'm so excited to hold this in my portfolio. Thank you for watching. This is the Frugal Investor. Those are my 2 cents on Facebook. See you in the next one.